Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to tell you how to study organic chemistry for JEE Mains and JEE Advanced and for NEET student. Secondly, if you are new to this channel, then please like my video, share it and do subscribe to my channel for upcoming latest video that will help you in your JEE preparation and NEET preparation. So as the topic I told you that is organic, how to study organic chemistry. So the answer to the question is, first, there are two components while studying the organic chemistry that you should know. The first one is understanding the brief theory about the reaction and the organic compound and its physical and chemical properties. It means, in short, understanding the whole theory of the lesson. And the second one is the problem solving, how to solve different problems and how the problems are asked in exams. That is second topic. So in this video today I am going to tell you how to study the theory of organic chemistry, and in next video I will tell you which books you should follow for problem solving to score better marks in your JEE and NEET exam. So beginning of the video, first book is here. The first book is NCERT. There are NCERT books. So this is class 11th NCERT book, part 2 NCERT chemistry, and this is class 12th NCERT book. It is also part 2 NCERT. So studying NCERT is most important for JEE main and for NEET exam, because some direct questions are asked in JEE based on the line of NCERT or some topic of the NCERT. So I will show you one question that was asked in JEE 2021 from the line of NCERT. So many questions were asked, but I will show you the one which was asked. The one which was asked, it is here. See, preparation of ethers from primary by dehydration of alcohol. The question was asked, CH3CH2OH gives rise to this ether. Then the reagent was mentioned, H2SO4, and the question was asked at what temperature. So 413 Kelvin. So reading NCERT is must. Reading NCERT is a must. That will help you in JEE main and in NEET exams. Some questions are also asked based on the mechanism, for which I will tell you another book that you should follow, but the common things that are going to help you are from NCERT. So reading NCERT are must, and some topics are also there that only if you read NCERT, that is enough. Some topics like biomolecules, polymers and chemistry in everyday life, that are biomolecules, biomolecules, polymers and chemistry in everyday life. Okay, so these three topics only NCERT is enough to tackle the problems in JEE mains and in JEE advanced also, and for NEET. So this was the fact of NCERT, and some direct questions are also asked, so you should read NCERT. Like another example I will tell you, methanol, preparation of methanol from carbon monoxide by hydrogenation. That the anything question can be asked, which reagent was used, at what pressure, at what temperature. So reading NCERT is must. You should read NCERT on daily basis. So this was about the NCERT book. Finally comes your coaching material. So I was going to this coaching, the name is displayed on my video, and this book coaching material is for all, means NEET, JEE main and JEE advanced chemistry volume 5. Okay, so I didn't follow this book because the theory was only point based theory. There were no reasons, no exception only, like we are writing answers in our board exam point wise. It was just a learning based theory. We should learn it. No, nothing given explanation how what happened, how done otherwise, and no mechanism also are explained. Wait, I will show you. Some mechanisms are also explained, but the theory was not that too good that we should follow this book, means our coaching book. So I didn't go for my coaching books for theory of organic chemistry. But if your coaching books are nice and are relevant and have deep knowledge, then you should read that book also. If not, then go for other publication books, publication books that are available in market. But if your coaching material is enough, then you can, and some advanced level problems or advanced level concepts are also discussed in your coaching material, then only you should use your coaching material. Otherwise, don't use your coaching material for referring theory. For problem solving, I will tell in next video how to solve, how to recognize the coaching material is enough or not. Okay, so this was fact about my coaching materials. There are two materials, it is of class 12th, it is of class 11th, but I personally not follow these books for theory because they were not as good as the other publication books were there. So the other publication books I used, I will show you. There are books that I used is GRB publication organic chemistry for first year and second year book, and Solomon's organic chemistry for JEE mains and advanced third edition, translated by MS Chauhan sir. So I will tell you the story behind these two books, why I have two books for theory, how it happens. So in my 11th, I don't know which books we should take for studying JEE. Didn't had any knowledge how to study, how to do organic chemistry. So I brought so my so I got gone to the showroom of books and asked best books for JEE mains and advanced. JEE for JEE mains of chemistry, and they give me the GRB publication, and my friends also bought the GRB publication. But frankly speaking, this GRB publication is a good book, but the language is used is very high language, and studying economically, the two books cost me, the price of first book is, I will show you, wait, where are you? The first year book price is 598, and the second year book, means 12th standard book price is 825, means 825 and 598, means 800 and 500, 1300, 13. It cost me around 13 to 1400 both the books. So economically these two books are not well enough, and some problems, and the language is used in the books is a very high language, and it is not understand easily, and some points are also missing in this book. So in my 12th, I shifted from this book to Solomon's. I watched a video on YouTube which is the best book for organic chemistry theory. So there I got to know this Solomon's organic chemistry for JEE mains and advanced by MS Chauhan sir. So I purchased this book, and this book is really very nice book, very nice book. I referred I completed my all topics in my JEE preparation from this all reactions, radical reactions, and The main concept for which I chosen this book in 12th, because the language is very simple and the reaction mechanisms are we can understand all the reaction mechanism in this book. For example, for example I will show you one example in this book, Solomon structure of compounds and acidic strength. So this acidic strength is a very are frequently asked in JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, and in NEET exam also. And the perfect explanation with the examples of acidic strength are shown in this book. For example, see, this is xylene, means orthoxylene, metaxylene, toluene, paraxylene, and the acidic strength is explained as below. See, resultant carbon ion, see there, which the explanation on theory and the order of acidic strength is given, and the second one about phenol crystals and crystals also given, and this nitro compounds examples are also given: orthonitrophenol, metanitrophenol, paranitrophenol. How the acidic strength works, the best explanation is given in this book, and all examples are also cleared in this book. So I gone on this book, and it helped me in my JEE preparation as well. Okay, so and see here the next the stereochemistry of SN2 reaction, all mechanisms detailed explanation with simple language, and it is understood to everyone. And this book is half of the price of this book, half of the price of this organic chemistry 2 books. This cost around to 1300 to 1400. This book will cost only 700 to 800. So the price wise also the Solomons is perfect, and the theory wise and the knowledge wise the Solomons is perfect. Price is secondary, but understanding the theory is a main concept. And the blunder I made in my 11th, that purchasing this organic chemistry GRB book rather than watch some YouTube videos and then take the Solomons. So I regretted afterwards, but I purchased this book also, and I studied this book also. So don't so you should don't make this mistake of purchasing the wrong book for JEE preparation. You should always take the right book, because the right book will make your preparation more strong and your selection will be more easier. So this was the fact about my organic chemistry Solomons and organic chemistry by GRB publication. So the but it is on your opinion. If you understand GRB knowledge, if you understand GRB, if you read inorganic GRB books, then you can understand the organic chemistry of GRB easily. But really I was not reading inorganic chemistry from GRB. I was totally reading it from NCERT, so I didn't understand the language, what language they were speaking, what language was elaborate in this. I didn't understand in concepts clearly. But when I shifted to this book, some due to the language I understand all the concepts, and this book helped me in my JEE preparation. But if you are using inorganic chemistry of GRB from first, then you can understand this book. But the price of these two books is very high. Half of the price you are getting the Solomon's whole book. But decision is all yours to purchase these two books. The link is given in the description, so you can go there and buy these books, because online buying will make the some difference in the prices, because offline market has higher prices. I- Offline market has higher prices, so buying these books online will be very helpful to you. So if you liked my video, if you liked my video, then please subscribe to the channel and share this video to numerous JE and NEET aspirants, so they will not make a wrong choice in the wrong book and invest in the wrong book. This was the first motto of my. Now in the next video I will tell you the best book for theory. So thank you for watching the video. Bye.